Hi, I'm Anchal Chaudhary and I'm a PhD student in Dr. Senthil Kumar Muthappa's lab. In our lab, we are trying to understand that how plant responds to stresses when they occur in combination in the field. So plants in the field, they rarely face stresses in isolation. In the field, abiotic and biotic stress factors, as you can see here, they occur in combination, and plants have to decide which stress factor to combat first or how to deal with this combined stress. So one of the important stress factor is drought or the water availability, which not only affects the plant's growth and productivity but also affects how plants respond to these pathogens. So in our lab, we are trying to understand how these plant-pathogen interactions are affected by the environmental condition, which is the drought condition. So these heavy rains or drought, both the cases, they can significantly affect how the disease propagates in the field. So as you can see here, this is the central dogma of how the plant disease occurs, and for a disease to occur in the field, you require three things. One, a host plant that can get sick. Then you need the right kind of pathogen which is virulent and can attack the plant, and then you need the right type of conditions. So the condition that we are working on in the lab is the water availability. And you can see here, these are the two panels that we have prepared. These are the examples where water availability aggravated or increased the disease severity in the plants. As you can see here, this is a grape plant where the Xylella fastidiosa infection was enhanced when the plant was under drought. This is Rhizoctonia botanicola, a fungus, where also you can see the root rot infection was aggravated under drought stress condition. And this is a classic example of a model plant, Arabidopsis thaliana, that we are trying to understand in the lab how this bacterial infection is aggravated under drought stress condition. In the right side panel, you can see that the infection caused by this fungus, fungus and this bacteria, they were reduced under drought conditions compared to the well-watered conditions. Now, I would request you to watch a video where we are explaining the research that we are doing in our lab to explain one of the case studies in detail. Thank you so much.